I think it would depend as to what your job is. I think that there's no hard and fast rule, and a lot of it depends on your contract of employment. If your contract of employment specifically states that if you were arrested for drink driving, you could be dismissed, then that's a difficulty. But it depends generally on your job. If you were a member of Gardai Síochána and you were arrested for drink driving and convicted, it could be something that you could be dismissed for, yeah. Well, if you're stopped by the guards, there's one of two ways of stopping you. Whether it could be a mandatory intoxilizer checkpoint, where they're mandated to be at that place at that time, at that particular date, to carry out the saliva samples or breath tests. And if that is the case, they're entitled to be there. If they demand from you a sample of your saliva at one of these mandatory checkpoints, you must give it. If you don't, you're breaking the law. That's one way of looking at it. The other way of looking at it is where you're stopped after they observe you driving, and that's a different situation entirely. Most of the people that I represent are very self-critical, very self-conscious. They actually think that they must be some kind of an appalling person that they've been arrested for drink driving. And they're very eager to tell you that that's not who they are, that they are a person of good standing, that they perhaps made a mistake, but it shouldn't be something that would mark them for life as far as they're concerned. Most people are people who've never been in trouble before and who are people of good standing.